Another text function is the text function. This function takes a certain numerical value, date or time, and converts it into a text type with a desired format. The arguments of this function have two parts. The value part, which is a number, date, or time that is converted into text, and the format text part shows us the output format of the function. After converting the number to text, the number loses its properties. In order to maintain its numerical property, we must use the text command. Let's learn more about this function with an example. Here we have a table that we want to add up the numbers. As you know, for this, we use either sigma, which is located here, or alt plus equal. Well, now, if we want to write the sum of the cells in the cell next to the cell, for example, the sum of the total, this will not cause any problem. But if we want to enter the total in the cell, for this, we open the formula of the cell and we write the total inside double quotation marks. And now you will see that the total is added to this cell. The only problem is that this number has lost its entire numerical property. 3 digits are not separated anymore and we want to return its numerical property to it. For these situations, we must use the text command. Just keep in mind that the text command should not be used for whole of this entire formula. Therefore, we should not enter it at the beginning of the formula and it must be entered before the sum formula. So, we enter text and enter the format we want to be displayed. Here, we want to display 0, 0. So we write double quotation 0, 0. You see the text function has two parameters. The first is our formula and the second is the format we want to display. Now, if we press enter, you will see that the number is separated by 3 digits.